Welcome to my English tutorial channel Make English Easy. Today we will solve a very difficult exercise of preposition, exercise in composition from Renan Martin. Why this preposition set is very hard? Because the students have to use different shades of prepositions with one word. So with the help of the preposition, how the word meaning changes, students will be taught. Okay, first see the number one, a child is not able to distinguish good dash evil. Number one, death does not distinguish the rich and the poor. Number two, number three, Sir Ronald Ross is distinguished dash his medical research. Punch is distinguished his hunchback. Here distinguish is the main word. With that we have four options between, by, for, from. So we have to use any one of them. Okay, and using the words, using the preposition, how the meaning changes, we will teach. First, distinguish from. What is the meaning of distinguish from? Distinguish from means separation. So here a child is not able to distinguish good from evil. So separate. Child is not able to separate good. First one is from. FROM. Okay, distinguish from means separate, and distinguish between two things. Okay, distinguish between, when you distinguish between two things, okay, by comparing. Okay, so distinguish. So read that there does not distinguish between, BETW, between. Okay. Number three, Ronald Ross is distinguished. If distinguished for means known for. So Ronald Ross is known for. Number three is for. Okay. And number four is Punch is distinguished by, is a passive sense, BY. Okay, very hard chapter. Good, distinguished from means separate. So death from, see the series, a child is cannot separate good from bad or evil. Number two, distinguish between means choice. Number three is renowned for or known for, distinguished for. Number four is by, passive sense. Number two, okay, it was the first example. I'm coming to the next one. Number two, on account of, so here disqualified, on account of his age he is disqualified. Disqualified from. Okay, first one, disqualified from something, disqualified from. And see the second one, ill health, disqualified the body, dash labor, and my, disqualified the body for labor. Okay, and for study. So first, remember, ill, on account of his age he is disqualified from it, competing. Disqualified from something, disqualified something, and disqualified for any work. Okay, disqualified for any work like labor or study. Disqualified from taking part. Okay, so someone cannot take, so disqualified someone from taking part, someone taking part in something, and disqualified for means unable to work. Number three, innocence is not proof, dash candle, Okay, proof against here. Scandal where it is any blame should be against. So innocent is not proof against scandal. And number 2, proof of something. He was discharged as there was no proof of his guilt. OF. Number 4. Okay. He has no good cause dash complaint. Act 1, part 1, and 2 darkness was the cause of his losing the way. So here are 2 prepositions, for and of. So we know that cause for means a valid reason. Cause for means a valid reason, and cause of means a casual relationship. So here cause for cause for complaint, so it's a valid reason. So when we complain, so when we are dissatisfied with someone, so cause for complaint. And number 2, okay, cause for complaint, this is a cause for complaint, F word. And number 2, casual relationship. So what is the casual relationship? Darkness and he is losing way. So why he loses his way? Because of his darkness he cannot see the road properly. So it would be cause of. Remember very attentively, okay, or listen to my lecture very attentively. Cause for means a valid reason, and cause of means a casual relationship. Number 5, another one. True charity does not consist dash indiscriminate alms given. Brass consists dash copper and zinc. So there are 2 prepositions, consist in and consist of. Consist of means any physical object, okay, and consist in means any logical object. So you see the first line, the true charity does not consist in, okay, indiscriminate alms giving. The first one is consist in, okay, logical. And number 2, brass consists of copper and zinc, this is physical, okay. So consist in means logical, consist of means physical. Number 6, very very important. I am not concerned dash his affairs. I am not concerned dash him dash that business. He was much concerned dash hearing the sad news. His parents are naturally concerned dash safety. Concerned for means apprehension. Okay, first one we have got concern for. So concern for someone's safety, concern for means apprehension. So we have used parents are naturally concerned of his safety. Last one. So first one, concerned about someone's affairs. First one is concerned about someone's affairs. Number 2, I am not concerned. The second part, I am not concerned with someone. I am not concerned with him. In which, in that, in any affair, concerned with someone in something, okay, in that business. And he was much concerned at hearing. Concerned at means very curious, okay, concerned at means curious. He was curious hearing the sad news, okay, concerned at. Number 7, very important, I have taught in my previous video, part with something, object, part with someone, okay, people. So here he parted, there are 2, from and with. He parted dash his friends, so there it would be from, parted from someone. So parted from someone, parted from friends, okay. Finds friends in high spirits and parted with his property, parted with something, so it would be parted with, okay. First one is parted from someone, okay, he parted from his friends, from. And number 2 is parted with something. Number 8, he acted, let me zoom first, it's a very very hard exercise. Number 8, he acted dash fair, acted my suggestion, acted dash compulsion. Always remember, and when it is compulsion, you use under. He acted under compulsion. Okay, under compulsion. And acted accordingly. When it means accordingly, it would be acted upon. Okay. And next is acted, number 8, acted from something. Acted from. Okay, so he acted from he acted from fear, he acted upon my suggestion, so according to my suggestion, and he acted under compulsion. Okay, acted under compulsion, forced, he was forced. Number 9, succeeded to, it is very easy. Succeeded to throne. Succeeded to, he succeeded to the throne of his uncle, and he succeeded in something. Succeeded in. Okay. Number 10, very important. Agreed to proposal. Agreed to proposal. Agreed with someone. Okay. And agree among themselves. So he agreed to my proposal. He agreed with me, and he could not agree. They could not agree among themselves. Okay, subscribe my channel to get more exciting videos, and it is a really hard video because this type of things, one word is given and four options of prepositions are given, so you have to match, and the preposition changes the meaning entirely. So, okay, a child is not able to distinguish good from evil, separate. Death does not distinguish between the rich and the poor, differentiate. Sir Ronald Ross is distinguished for, known for, and punch is distinguished by. Okay, this is passive tense. On account of, disqualify from attending something or taking part at something. Disqualify from, and disqualify for, unable to work, unable to do something, unable to do anything. Impatient, proof against something, and proof of, it is, what is this sign. Okay, put up means to show off something. Next, cause for means valid reason, and cause of means relationship. A casual relationship. What is the casual relationship? Darkness and he is losing his way. Number 5, consist in and consist of. Consist in logical, consist of physical. Okay, and concerned about someone's affairs, concerned with someone in something, concerned at or curious of, and concerned for means apprehension. उसे बोलते हैं उद्विग्न. And number part from someone, and part with something. Okay, part from his friend, part with his property. And he succeeded to a throne. Succeeded in achieving something. Succeeded in means achieving something. Okay, achieving something. So succeeded in his object. So he is achieved his subject. Number 10, agreed to a proposal. He agreed to provide proposal. He agreed with, on that question, agreed with me, agreed with someone, and they agreed among. Okay. Next, very very important, 11. The patient is now free dash danger. He is free dash something. Okay, and the goods were passed free. Goods means saman. Goods were passed free dash duty. First of all, free from. The patient is now free from, from, free from danger. Next one is free with something, free with money. Next, goods were passed free of duty. Okay, what we say free of charge, it is called free of duty. Okay, so free from danger, free with money, free of duty. Next, very important, prevailed. I have discussed elaborately prevail. There are two prepositions are used with prevail, prevail on or upon. Okay, you can use prevail on or prevail upon. Prevail on or upon means persuade someone to do something. किसी को समझ बुझा के कुछ करने के लिए उत्साहित करना. और number two, prevail over. Prevail over means win. Okay, and another one, prevail among something. Prevail means it is customs. Okay, it is in practice. First of all, so there are three options: among, over, and upon. So I prevailed upon. I prevailed upon him. So that means I persuaded him. Number two, he prevailed dash me. Prevail over means he win. So remember, prevail upon means persuade someone to do something. Prevail over means win. Okay. So he prevail over in this means he won in this dispute, and prevail the customs. Okay, prevails among. Next, number 13, angry. I was angry dash him dash lying to me. Angry with, what is this? Angry with someone for something. So I was angry with him for, okay, angry with someone for something. So I was angry with him for lying to me. Next, number 14, very important. The city is well provided dash corn, and we should provide the dash risks of fire by insuring our goods. He was provided dash children. Okay, provide with something. Okay, remember, provide with something. Provide against means secure something. Okay, secure something from danger or taking step to avoid danger, and provide for someone. So it would be the city is well provided with corn. Number two, we should provide dash the risks. So provide against taking cautions. Okay, provide against risks of insurance. Provide against risks of fire by insuring our goods. He has provided dash children provided for someone. Next, number 15. Okay, that very important. Entrust with, the police is entrust with the enforcement of law and order. Entrust with means given authority to. So police are given authority to enforce the law and order. So first one will be entrust with. Okay, and number two is the children are entrusted as the care, and what is the meaning of entrusted to? Entrusted with means given authority to something. Entrusted with means given authority to do something. Entrusted to means trust someone's ability. So the children were trusted the care of their uncle. So we trusted, the children were trusted to the ability of his uncle. Okay, trusted to means ability. Trust someone's ability. So uncle's ability. So we trust uncle's ability. Number 16, very important. The addition of Ivanhoe is adapted dash Indians boys. The form and structure of the nest are adapted as the wants and habits of each species. Many Urdu plays are adapted English. Okay, there are two. Adapted for someone. Okay, adapted to a situation, and adapted from something. So the addition of Ivanhoe is adapted for Indian boys. The form and structure of nests are adapted as the wants and habits of each species. So adapted to. Number 3 is Many Urdu plays are adapted from someone. So many Urdu plays are adapted from English, adapted from something. Okay. Number 17. We are all slaves dash conventions. Okay, conventions means customs. Prachalit riti. This is one synonym. Write it down. Conventions means customs. So we are all slave dash convention. Number one, no man should be a slave dash his passions. So okay, there are two, of and to. So slave to means we are habituated. Okay. So in this line, we are slaves of convention. We are slaves to convention. So we have to abide by the customs. This type of means, and no man should be a slave of something, slave of something passions. Okay, slave of something, and another one is slave of something, it is free, but slave to means when it is forced. Very important. 18. He is blind dash one eye. Are you blind dash your own interest? Okay. Blind of means physically blind, that man cannot see. But blind to means connive, देख के भी ना देखना. एक टर्म है ना जो देख के भी ना देखना. So ignore something. So this is called blind to. Like you have heard of Dhritarashtra. Dhritarashtra was blind of his eyes, and he connives or he ignores the faults of Duryodhana. So blind of eyes and blind to your own interest. Okay, blind to means connives, देख के भी ना देखना. और blind of means साच का अंधा. ठीक है. There is next one, very important. Exception. There is no exception as the rule. All the ministers were present at the function with the exception of dash. Okay. First thing, exception of means except. Okay. So exception of. So what is the line? All the ministers were present at the function with the exception of Mr. Smith. Okay. So Mr. Smith was not present in that function, and exception to rules, exception to, there is no exception to rules, to the rules. Number, he took exception against the presence of the outside. So number, he took exception that's the presence. Okay, exception against something, against the presence of an outsider. Number 20. The very important. His creditors became impatient dash payment. Impatient dash delay. He knocked at the door rather loudly. The people became impatient. The burden of heavy taxation. So here impatient under mean compulsion. Okay. See the number 3. The people became impatient under the burden. Okay. Under the burden of heavy taxation. That means they are compelled to. And creditor become impatient for something. Impatient for payment. And number 2, impatience at something. So impatient at delay. He knocked at the door loudly. So it will be very important. People impatient under something. impatient under compulsion, impatient for something, impatient for payment, and impatient at delay. Impatient, okay? Very hard example, so I am recapping again. The patient is now free from something, free from the number 11. The patient, the patient is now free from danger. Okay, he is free with his money. The goods were passed free of cost. We will say free of duty. Number 12. He prevailed on or upon means persuade. He prevailed upon him to join our union. He prevailed over means win. Prevailed over me in the dispute. The peculiar customs prevail among today's among traders. Okay, angry with someone for something very important for examination. He was angry with him for lying to me. Number 14, provide with something. The city was provided with corn. We should provide against. Okay, provide against means caution, taking caution risks of fire by insuring the good. Provided for someone. He has provided for his children. Number 15, entrust with means given authority to do something. The police is entrusted with the enforcement of law and order. Okay, number 11, the children were entrusted to the care of their uncles. Entrusted to means have faith in someone's ability. Okay, next, adapted for someone. The edition of Ivanhoe is adapted for Indian boys. The form and structure of nets adapted to something are adapted to the wants and habits of each. Okay, and many Urdu plays are adapted dash English, adapted from English. Number 17, slave to means we are forced to do something. Okay, so we are slave to convention, so we are slave to customs. No man and another slave of means of something but which is not forced to. Okay, so no man is slave of his passion. Slave to means forced to, slave of means without any compulsion or force. Blind of real blind, blind to ignore something, देख के भी ना देखना. Number 19, exception to rules. Okay, and exception of means exception of means except. So all minister present but except Mr. Smith. He took exception against the presence. Okay, number 2, he took exception against the presence of the outsider. Next, his creditor became impatient for payment, impatient for something, impatient for money, okay, impatient for payment, and impatient at delay. Okay, remember this one, impatient at delay. He knocked at the door rather loudly. People become impatient under compulsion. So today I have taught exercise 92 of Renan Martin. Thanks for watching.